You ever think, man, the steering wheel is ugly? So guess what? I bought the cheapest steering wheel and hub adapter I could find on Amazon. And the hub adapter came today. We're gonna take this steering wheel off. We're gonna see if this stuff works, see what kind of quality it is. First, let me just show you the steering wheel. It's already unwrapped. But, bam. Actually, it's pretty much the same size as this stock one. Can't really tell in the video, but it's got the cool racing stripe. Yeah, perforated leather. Dang, fancy stuff. Alright, next up. Got the hub adapter. Came in this well-packaged box. Indeed. Inside, we have bits and pieces to be determined. Yeah, we'll figure that out. Some hardware. Last but not least, the hub adapter. This nice anodized aluminum. See if I can unwrap this with one hand here. Come on, alright. They did have color options. They had red, blue, silver, gold, and black. I went with the gold. Just, I don't know, a little bling. Alright, come on. There we go. So it looks like it has little flat points here. I'm obviously just gonna, and then the steering wheel bolts on here, but I'm gonna get this ugly thing off and see how she looks with the new steering wheel. So I've never taken one of these steering wheels off, but if it's like anything else, whoop, pop that off. Oh sweet, that's actually a bolt. Most of the ones I've done have been torque bits. Thanks, Ford. Alright, I'm gonna grab a socket. Alright, so it looks like it's an 8mm. Yep, but definitely use an impact because that's the best, quickest way. Okay, Uno. Bam. Just drop the bolts in the floorboard somewhere. That should release the horn here, or the airbag. Let's see. Alright. Definitely recommend unplugging the battery when you do this stuff, but I'm just gonna wing it here. This is not very easy to do with one hand, by the way. Ah, there we go. All right. There we go. Wow. Probably the worst looking SRS connectors I've ever seen. All right. Ooh, yeah. Got a big old Torx bit there. Make sure your steering wheel and your wheels are centered, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna go figure out what size that is. All right, so luckily I had it. Son of a gun. Focus. It's a T50. Bang, got it for a second. All right, I thought that thing was gonna be tighter than a nun's cuff, but it wasn't. So yeah, just have at her. like that. If you guys have gotten to this point, but you've never removed a steering wheel after this point, you may be in for a treat. A lot of times these are stuck on. They're not really press on, but they're splined, and usually they haven't been off in a very long time. I usually just grab the steering wheel like that, go back and forth with it like an argument, and being a Ford, you're probably going to be, you're going to need to be a little gentle with it, you know, firm aggression, but like, the thing I like to do is just and it comes off real simple. Just make sure you don't rip any connections, and take your little flathead screwdriver, just pop that out, got yourself a steering wheel. Alright, so right off the bat I'm seeing we have an issue. This full circle gets in the way of this. Can't do anything. So I'm going to take these covers off and see if I can do something with this to get rid of this, and let's go from there. Alright, so there's a couple Phillips screws holding this cover in. Yeah, I guess you can just start pulling on stuff until it starts pop and break. Hopefully I don't need that. I mean, what do you do? I mean, there's not enough real estate here on this end to cut here for this. You can install it, take this off, then when you clamshell this back together it might look a little goofy, but send it.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Alright, so the easiest way I found to disconnect this connector is pretty much just give it a little oomph like you did with the steering wheel. I didn't think the ribbon would come out with it. This is very interesting. Yeah. So, hoping I don't need this because it's pretty much trash at this point. So, if you've reached this spot like I have, just cut the ribbon. So here we go. Alright, go ahead and get yourself a pair of Dollar Tree scissors. Take care of business. Just like that. Now with all this room, try and put this clamshell back together. Ooh, man. This thing just barely catches enough thread. I mean, there's 1, 2, maybe 3, maybe 3 full turns. So wait. I guess that's what that was there for. So this already has hardware on it. So a little baggie of hardware with this. Don't necessarily have to use. I don't plan on running the horn either, guys. I wonder if this Allen key is the same though. That'd be nice. Oh. Yes! Wait. Wait. Wrong hole. All right, there you go. You definitely get what you pay for. I mean, this whole section looks, I don't know, pretty terrible if you ask me, but you get the scene points. You have a cool yellow racing stripe, nice gold accents. It's worth the money. So last thing I need to do is make sure the car starts. I don't know if there's any weird, like, I don't know. Let's just see if it starts. Alright guys, one more thing for you. For those of you who have been following the twin turbo build and you've seen the latest videos, you'll know I kind of failed with them. I've got a remedy. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek right now. So if you follow our Instagram page, you'll see there's a little hint teaser video. So go ahead and follow our Instagram page. But there we go. That's all you're getting. Things are in process. Changes are coming. I'm excited. By the way, you guys, I just realized that I didn't even mention the cost of this good old Chinese steering wheel and hub adapter. I paid like $43 for this steering wheel and like maybe around 30 bucks for the hub adapter. Purchased on Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will post links in the description below. So yeah, make sure you go and check it out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.